Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This is going to be a short flow, about 15-20 minutes, that will help you to increase your overall flexibility. Full body stretch, all levels welcome. We're going to start out in a child's pose. Big toes together, the knees are apart. Walk your hands forward, away from you, and bring your forehead down to the mat. Shift your focus to the breath. Be present in the moment. Arrive. Do your best to breathe exclusively in and out through the nose. Lengthening each inhale, smoothing out each exhale. Walk your hands to the right. Left hand on top of the right, a little bit farther away. Keep the sit bones back and down. Relax your left shoulder down and breathe. Walk your hands long through center and over to the left, right hand on top. I like to lift my shoulder up a little bit and then exaggerate it back down. Use the breath to intensify this stretch. Walk your hands back to center. Lift up. Prop up onto fingertips, press down underneath your fingers, and lower your forehead down. A little bit of engagement through the arms and shoulders. Soften your wrists. Press up to a tabletop position. And let's draw some circles with the torso. Tuck the toes, and you're going to go to the right, almost through an upward dog, to the left and back. Just feeling out where you are today, and let's go the other way. And come back to center. Untuck the toes. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round and press everything away. Neutral spine. Extend your right leg back and up, hip height. Let's bend the knee and draw some circles out, down, and around. Soft bend in the elbows to help you keep your torso level. Switch sides. Set the right knee down. Extend your left leg back. Bend the knee. And use your left glute to explore the range of motion in your hip. Keep about a right angle with the knee. And tabletop. Tuck the toes. Hover the knees. Downward dog. Press up, press back. Find some movement or stillness. It's up to you. Feet hip width, hands shoulder width. Walk to the top of your mat and relax over your legs. Long exhale. Keep the knees soft. Press to stand. Bring your palms to touch. Stand up tall. And reconnect to the present moment, to your breath. Inhale. Reach your arms up overhead. Seal the palms, reach up a little taller. Exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, forward fold. Let yourself drape over the legs. Inhale, halfway lift. From this look-up position, set your hands down and step back to a plank pose. Lower all the way down to the mat. Rest your forehead on the left hand and bring the right foot in for a quad stretch. Press your hips forward and down to intensify this. Release and switch sides. If you can't reach your foot, just bend the knee and work on strength. Release. Tabletop. Downward facing dog. Lunge, right side. Step the right foot up between the hands. Tall on the back foot. Right angle, the right knee over the ankle on the right leg. Lower your back knee. Untuck the toes. Press all the way back into a half split. So you can sit on the foot, inside of the foot, or on a block. Lift up and fold forward over the right leg. Smooth out the breath. Use your hands to help you to sit up. Shift your weight forward, back to a lunge. Tuck the back toes and lift the knee. Crescent lunge. Bring your hands to your hips. Stay tall on the back foot. Shoulders over the hips. Deep bend in the front knee. And then arms overhead. Let's start with them shoulder width. Try not to push the chest forward. Strong front leg. Float your hands down to frame the right foot. Right foot back to a plank pose. Scan the body right to left. Downward facing dog. Bring your left foot between the hands for a lunge. Set this up every time. Knee over ankle. Feel the back thigh engage. Shoulders away from the ears. Lower the right knee. Untuck the toes and walk all the way back. Half split, repeat whatever variation you chose. Inhale, reach up and fold over the left leg. Continue to smooth out each breath. Press up to seated, or back to seated, sitting up. Walk your hands forward for a lunge. Tuck the back toes and lift the knee. Set up your foundation. Crescent lunge. Lift the upper body up. Start with hands to hips. That gets the shoulders over the knees. Nope, over the hips. Arms reach overhead. Deep bend in the front knee. Breathe. Palms face each other. Hands to the mat, framing the left foot. Step it back to a plank pose. Downward facing dog. Lower your knees to the mat. Untuck the toes. 1 round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine. Sit back. Bring your feet out around in front of you and lie down on your back. Lengthen the back of the neck. Tuck the chin a little bit. Draw the right knee into the chest. Give your leg a squeeze. Set the right leg down. Draw the left knee in. If the chin starts to stick straight up, don't pull the knee in as much. Try to redistribute some of that stress. And left leg down. Hug both knees in. Don't cross the feet. It's one hand on top of each knee, or if a box grip is available, you can hold opposite elbows. Release, lengthen back out. Bend both knees. Cross the right ankle over the left thigh. We're going to lift the legs. Make sure you can draw a full circle with the right ankle. Your hands are going to reach through underneath the right calf for the back of your left thigh. Breathe. Feel the right hip opening. And release. Lengthen out. Extend your arms by your sides. And switch sides. Cross the left ankle over the right thigh. Let the knee drop open. And then you're going to lift your legs up. Use your left elbow, if it's there, to assist in opening up the knee. Light flexion of the feet. And release. Lengthen out. Bend your knees. Bring the soles of the feet to touch. Let the knees fall apart. And let's bring our arms overhead, kind of wide. Maybe cactus arm. Elbows are bent. Just let the chest open up. Let the arms and legs be heavy. Focus on the breath. Use your hands to help bring the knees back together and either roll to one side or rock up to a seated position. Extend your legs out in front of you. Inhale, lift your arms overhead. Exhale, forward fold over both legs. And sit up. Place your feet on the mat. Your hands are behind you. Reverse tabletop. Press down and lift. Lower down. Bring the soles of the feet to touch. Let the knees fall apart. Hold on to the outsides of your feet. Inhale, sit up, and exhale, fold over your legs. Sit up. Find a comfortable seat, any way, as long as you're sitting up tall. And let's bring our right arm up overhead. You can wave at me if you'd like to. And pat yourself on the back. You're going to use your left hand to bring the right tricep or pull the right elbow up toward the ceiling. Sit up tall. Press your shoulders down. And release. Switch sides. So the left arm reaches up and pats you on the back. Right arm is going to gently assist with the opening of the left tricep. Sit up tall, shoulders down. And release. Excuse me. Lean on the right hand, left arm reaches up and over, side body stretch. Sit up, rotate toward the right leg, the right knee, and reach over and across. Try to bring the nose toward the knee, maybe just beyond. Open up to the side once more. Keep both sit bones down. And sit up. Right arm up and over to the left. And sit up. Rotate so that you're more square to your left knee. And you're going to reach over and across. Feel this down the right side of the back. Let's open up to the side. One more reach. And sit up. Arms overhead on an inhale. Twist to the right, float the hands down, right hand behind you, left hand to the right knee. Release through center, arms lift up, reach up, and twist to the left. Closing breath, inhale, arms reach wide overhead. Sit up so tall, breathe in extra at the top. Long exhale, hands lower down. Gratitude for your practice. I am grateful for your presence. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I will see you in my next video. Namaste. Namaste.